Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Fit mirror, easy method. Start by parking on a flat surface and turning off the ignition, then remove the interior trim carefully with a pry tool. Peel back the weather strip and locate the 3 mounting bolts holding the mirror. Support the mirror with one hand while removing bolts, then disconnect the electrical plug and remove the mirror from the door. Preparing properly makes the job faster and safer, so start by collecting tools and protections. Lay down masking tape around the mirror base to avoid scratches and keep a magnetic tray handy for bolts and clips. If the mirror has heating or power functions, turn off the battery to avoid shorts and locate the interior trim fasteners before prying any pieces off. Begin by removing the small triangular interior trim cover near the mirror to reveal the mounting bolts. Hold the mirror steady with one hand, then remove the 3 bolts in a star pattern so the mirror drops evenly. Before fully removing the mirror, reach behind and unplug the electrical connector by depressing its release tab, then set the mirror on a soft surface to avoid scratching it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.